Quiet on the set. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Action.
Hello, and welcome to YouTube, your how-to guide for everything in life. I'm Jillian.
And I'm Jen, and we're coming to you from Yeongnam University in South Korea. In today's episode, we're going to teach you how to survive a pandemic.
We'll look at some new language, trends in South Korea, and ways to not only survive, but thrive.
We'll also meet some of our amazing BLAST students and get to know them better.
First and foremost, in order to survive a pandemic, you must avoid doom scrolling.
Doom scrolling.
Super Delta is going to infect everyone. And what's this MU variant? There aren't enough booster vaccines. Wildfires are spreading throughout the world. There's a typhoon headed our way. Global warming will destroy the Earth in 50 years' time. Everyone will die.
I cannot take it anymore.
Doom scrolling is a new term used to describe scrolling or surfing the web for negative news. Of course, it's important to know what is going on in the world. However, there's only so much a mind can take. It's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay.
Of course, we're all suffering from pandemic fatigue. Pandemic fatigue is the constant feeling of tiredness that you may feel because the pandemic has been going on for so long. So Tommy, I have really been watching a lot of Netflix lately for the past year and a half through the whole pandemic, and I have really been liking Squid Game. Have you heard of it?
Of course, probably everyone have heard of it.
Yeah, I think so. So one of the things that I saw in Squid Game was dalgona cookie.
Dalgona. Yes, probably.
Okay, am I not pronouncing that right? Maybe.
No, actually, the proper pronunciation is dalgona.
Okay, can you teach me?
Sure.
Okay. Dalgona.
Bit better, but dalgona.
Dalgona.
Better.
What should I do at the beginning? The first syllable. Dal.
It's more like a middle of L and R sound. So it's like dalgona.
Dalgona.
Yeah, much better, I think.
Dalgona. Yeah, okay, it's kind of funny. Dalgona.
Yeah, you're getting better.
Will you understand it? If
Yeah,
I
sure.
say,
Of
okay.
course.
All right, perfect. So, do you know how to make them?
Actually, no. But instead, I can make, I know how to make dalgona coffee.
Oh, I love coffee.
Yeah.
Can you teach me how to make it?
No problem.
Put a coffee powder, sugar, and hot water in a bowl in a 1-to-1 ratio. Then stir until it turns into bright brown color. And that's it. I will show you how to mix it. Easy, right? Who wanna try? That's good. You did well, Tommy.
Wow.
Do you like it, Jen?
I love it. It's really
You love
nice.
it. How about you? What do you think about this?
For me, it's kind of bitter actually.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you did it well. You almost professional, you know?
Thanks.
That's good.
I like it.
Yeah, me too. Bottoms up.
Today we learned about doom scrolling, pandemic fatigue, how to properly pronounce dalgona. Perfect, right? And we also learned how to make some delicious dalgona coffee. Thanks for spending some time with us today. We enjoyed it and hope you did too.
Before we go, we'd like to invite you to post any questions you might have in the comments section, and we'll answer them in a Q&A short next time.
Also be sure to check out some of our other shorts on grammar, vocabulary, the sunang, and some footage from behind the scenes.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss another one. That's it. Bye-bye. 2 meters, Jen. 2 meters for safety. 2 meters.